As I remember, I was promising you that I will make a video of my old apartment. I mean, in that time it was not old apartment, it was my actual apartment, but in Japan. Let's see what we have here. This is obviously bathroom, and a small tip for people who is living in Japan and don't know where this kind of small flies coming from. They're coming from there. Usually it's like that place is collecting a lot of hairs, a lot of soap, a lot of everything what you can drop there. It can be different liquids, as we know, and flies love to make nests there. And once I was cleaning it, I even make a video, but it's a little bit disgusting, so I will not show it. And after cleaning, they will disappear fully. And you probably wondering why it's so empty. Because I'm moving. I am moving to Osaka. Me and my wife bought a house there. So congrats to me. This is my helmet. Actually, I sold my Harley Davidson because I needed to invest money in my future. I mean, a house. So now I have leftover helmet only as a reminder of nice times on the road. Yep. So I paid for this apartment. It's like 30 square meters or something like that. Around 80,000 yen. Yes, something like that. Why I don't like this place? Can you see that road? Yeah, it's pretty much quiet here. But it's so noisy. But balcony is just insanely cool. I mean, big. We'll have garbage here for now because we were moving yesterday super fast and didn't have a time to do anything. We came home like around 7 in Osaka, as I told you. But yeah, super tired. Okay, how to zoom it proper way? Let's see. Oh, we can see Buddha statue there. And another side is mountain. Nice view, isn't it? Also, we could see the Osaka Bay. But now we have a little bit different view and way more quiet environment. I'm happy about it, honestly. So, bye-bye nice view. Bye-bye nice view. And hello, silent life in a cozy neighborhood in a nice house. What I'll show you a little bit later. Okay? See you around.